Welcome guys back. Channel gonna barely start. We've been removing the downpipe and the old headers because, as you guys remember the old video, it had a leak and it had a big gap from the up pipe and the headers like this, and I did not like that. But today my new headers came in from IAG. Got even length headers, as you can see. The downpipe right here.
Next project is to put these fans.
And then next video could be a little preview. These rims right here on this truck. We're gonna full sand cutting the fender, the bumper. Fuck. No, we're not too sure, but might record that because why not? See, IAG. We're gonna put that ready. I bet. So we got the up pipe, down pipe, headers out. Now we're gonna put everything back together. You guys already seen the first episode. I'm gonna put everything back together, show you guys, and soundproof. And it's gonna be short video because you know, fuck it, I'm tired of this bitch. All right then.
All right, you explain. Fuck that. All right, we just bolted everything up. First test, make sure we did the shit right.
Let me reset the ECU for the check engines.
Shit, but there's no leaks though. Sounds better.
Weird though.
Sounds more. I don't know.
It sounds like normal.
No, I hear like.
Okay.
50 seconds pass.
It is. It's a Subi. Right here sounds good.
Move it. No, nothing. No, just the back.
You guys can hear it better. That noise is there.
Yeah, it makes it more quality rumble, supposedly.
Sounds nice. Let me go rev it a little.
Damn, so much smoke coming out. I guess for
Yeah, because
the whole week. The whole week.
Yeah, but everything that we touched and the grease, the oil, you know.
Damn.
And it's open. It's better open better. It's breathing better basically.
It stinks though.
It's gonna do popping noises.
I gotta tune it though. It might run lean a little bit. Too much airflow. But there you guys go.
So better, way better.
It worked better than the first time. Oh my god. I hear nothing up here, dog. Now we gotta take it down. Alright. And then for test drive. I don't know, we gotta take it down around.